Proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of life. Every cell in the human body contains protein, making it essential for growth, repair, and maintenance of tissues. Proteins are made up of smaller units called amino acids, which are linked together in various combinations. There are 20 different amino acids, and the human body can produce some of them. However, 9 amino acids, known as essential amino acids, must be obtained through diet. Proteins play a crucial role in almost all biological processes. They are vital for the development and repair of muscles, skin, organs, and glands. Enzymes, which are proteins, facilitate chemical reactions in the body, including digestion and energy production. Additionally, proteins are involved in immune function, helping to produce antibodies that fight infections. Dietary sources of protein include meat, fish, dairy products, legumes, nuts, and seeds. It's important to consume a variety of protein sources to ensure you're getting all the essential amino acids. For vegetarians and vegans, combining different plant-based proteins can provide a complete amino acid profile. Adequate protein intake supports overall health, physical performance, and recovery from illness or injury. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the body's primary source of energy. They are found in foods like grains, fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. Carbohydrates come in 3 main forms: sugars, starches, and fibers. Simple carbohydrates, or sugars, are quickly absorbed and provide immediate energy. Complex carbohydrates, like starches and fibers, take longer to break down and provide sustained energy. When you eat carbohydrates, your body converts them into glucose, which is used for energy or stored in the liver and muscles for later use. This process is crucial for brain function, as the brain relies almost exclusively on glucose for energy. Fiber, a type of carbohydrate, is not digested by the body but is essential for digestive health. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, supports healthy bowel movements, and can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Balancing carbohydrate intake with physical activity and overall calorie needs is important for maintaining a healthy weight and preventing conditions like diabetes. Opting for whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes over refined and sugary foods ensures you're getting essential nutrients along with carbohydrates.
Click subscribe to this channel to get more topics you love.
Fats. Fats are a vital source of energy and are necessary for various bodily functions. They provide more than twice the energy per gram compared to carbohydrates and proteins. Fats are categorized into saturated, unsaturated, and trans fats. Unsaturated fats, found in foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are generally considered healthy and beneficial for heart health. Fats play a key role in building cell membranes, the protective barriers around cells. They are also involved in producing hormones, which regulate many processes in the body, including growth and metabolism. Additionally, fats help absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are crucial for health and well-being. However, not all fats are beneficial. Saturated fats, found in animal products and certain oils, can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Trans fats, often found in processed foods, are particularly harmful and should be avoided. Including healthy fats in your diet, while limiting unhealthy ones, supports overall health, brain function, and energy levels. Water. Water is essential for life, making up about 60% of the human body. It is involved in nearly every bodily function, including digestion, absorption, circulation, and temperature regulation. Water acts as a solvent, dissolving nutrients and minerals so they can be transported to cells. It also helps remove waste products from the body through urine and sweat. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining physical and mental performance. Even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and impaired concentration. Water also plays a role in maintaining healthy skin, lubricating joints, and protecting sensitive tissues. Drinking adequate water supports digestion by helping break down food and absorb nutrients. The amount of water needed can vary based on factors such as age, gender, activity level, and climate. A general guideline is to drink at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water a day, but individual needs may vary. Consuming water-rich foods like fruits and vegetables can also contribute to hydration. Ensuring adequate water intake is fundamental for health and well-being. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin essential for various bodily functions. It is crucial for vision, particularly night vision, as it is a component of the protein rhodopsin, which helps the retina absorb light. Vitamin A also supports immune function, helping the body fight off infections by maintaining the integrity and function of skin and mucous membranes, which are the body's first line of defense. In addition to its role in vision and immunity, vitamin A is important for cell growth and differentiation, which is why it is vital during periods of rapid growth, such as pregnancy and childhood. It also plays a role in maintaining healthy skin and other epithelial tissues. Vitamin A can be obtained from both animal and plant sources. Animal sources of vitamin A include liver, fish oils, and dairy products, where it is found as preformed vitamin A, retinol. Plant sources include leafy green vegetables, orange and yellow vegetables, and fruits, which contain provitamin A carotenoids like beta-carotene that the body can convert into retinol. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to vision problems, including night blindness and an increased risk of infections. On the other hand, excessive intake of vitamin A, particularly from supplements, can be toxic and cause liver damage and other health issues. Therefore, it's important to maintain a balanced intake from a varied diet to support overall health. Vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble vitamin renowned for its powerful antioxidant properties. It plays a critical role in the growth, development, and repair of all body tissues. As an antioxidant, it helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can contribute to aging and diseases like cancer. Vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of collagen, a protein that helps maintain the integrity of skin, blood vessels, bones, and connective tissues. This makes it vital for wound healing and maintaining healthy skin. It also enhances the absorption of iron from plant-based foods, which is important for preventing anemia. Since the human body cannot produce or store vitamin C, it must be obtained regularly from the diet. Rich sources include citrus fruits, like oranges and lemons, berries, kiwi, bell peppers, tomatoes, and leafy greens. A deficiency in vitamin C can lead to scurvy, a condition characterized by fatigue, gum disease, and bleeding from the skin. Ensuring adequate intake of this nutrient supports immune function, skin health, and overall vitality. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that is crucial for maintaining healthy bones and teeth. It facilitates the absorption of calcium and phosphorus in the gut, which are essential minerals for bone formation and maintenance. Without adequate vitamin D, bones can become thin, brittle, or misshapen, leading to conditions like rickets in children and osteomalacia or osteoporosis in adults. Beyond its role in bone health, vitamin D is important for immune function, reducing inflammation, and regulating cell growth. It has been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as multiple sclerosis, heart disease, and certain cancers. The body can synthesize vitamin D when the skin is exposed to sunlight, specifically UVB rays. However, factors like geographic location, skin pigmentation, sunscreen use, and time spent indoors can affect vitamin D synthesis. Dietary sources include fatty fish, like salmon and mackerel, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to bone deformities in children and bone pain and muscle weakness in adults. Ensuring adequate sun exposure and consuming vitamin D-rich foods or supplements can help maintain optimal levels and support overall health. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin that acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. This protection is vital for maintaining the health of cells and tissues throughout the body. Vitamin E is particularly important for the health of the skin, eyes, and immune system. In addition to its antioxidant properties, vitamin E plays a role in immune function, helping to protect the body against infections and diseases. It also contributes to the formation of red blood cells and helps the body use vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting. Dietary sources of vitamin E include nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, such as sunflower, safflower, and wheat germ oil, and green leafy vegetables. Deficiency in vitamin E is rare but can occur in individuals with certain genetic disorders or conditions that impair fat absorption. Symptoms of deficiency include muscle weakness, impaired vision, and immune dysfunction. Consuming a balanced diet that includes a variety of vitamin E-rich foods can help maintain adequate levels and support overall health. While supplements are available, it is generally best to obtain this nutrient from natural food sources to avoid potential toxicity from excessive intake. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is a fat-soluble vitamin essential for blood clotting and bone health. It plays a critical role in the synthesis of proteins required for blood coagulation, which helps prevent excessive bleeding when injuries occur. Without sufficient vitamin K, even small cuts could cause significant blood loss. There are two main forms of vitamin K, K1, phylloquinone, found in plant foods like leafy green vegetables, and K2, menaquinone, found in animal products and fermented foods. Both forms are important for health, but they have different roles and sources. In addition to its role in blood clotting, vitamin K is important for bone metabolism. It assists in the regulation of calcium by promoting its binding to the bone matrix, thereby enhancing bone strength and reducing the risk of fractures. It also helps prevent the calcification of blood vessels, which can contribute to cardiovascular disease. Deficiency in vitamin K can lead to bleeding disorders and weakened bones. While supplementation is an option, consuming a diet rich in vitamin K through natural food sources is generally recommended. Foods high in vitamin K1 include spinach, kale, broccoli, and other leafy greens. Vitamin K2 can be found in fermented foods like natto, as well as in meats and dairy products. Maintaining adequate vitamin K levels supports both cardiovascular and bone health, contributing to overall well-being. B vitamins. The B vitamins are a group of water-soluble vitamins that play a vital role in energy production, brain function, and cell metabolism. There are 8 B vitamins, each with unique functions but often working together in the body. 1. Vitamin B1, thiamine essential for converting nutrients into energy and supporting nerve function. 2. Vitamin B2, riboflavin important for energy production and the metabolism of fats, drugs, and steroids. 3. Vitamin B3, niacin helps convert food into energy and supports digestive and skin health. 4. Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid crucial for synthesizing coenzyme A, which is involved in fatty acid metabolism. 5. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine important for protein metabolism, cognitive development, and the production of neurotransmitters. 6. Vitamin B7, biotin plays a key role in macronutrient metabolism and is important for skin, hair, and nail health. 7. Vitamin B9, folate essential for DNA synthesis and repair, cell division, and proper fetal development during pregnancy. 8. Vitamin B12, cobalamin necessary for red blood cell formation, neurological function, and DNA synthesis. Sources of B vitamins include whole grains, meats, eggs, dairy products, legumes, seeds, nuts, and leafy vegetables. Because B vitamins are water-soluble, the body does not store them in large amounts, so regular intake through diet is important. Deficiencies in B vitamins can lead to various health issues, including anemia, fatigue, neurological problems, and skin disorders. Adequate intake supports energy levels, brain health, and overall metabolic function. Calcium. Calcium is a mineral essential for building and maintaining strong bones and teeth. It is the most abundant mineral in the body, with 99% of it stored in the bones and teeth. Calcium is also crucial for muscle function, nerve signaling, and blood clotting. Bone tissue is constantly being remodeled, and calcium is necessary for these processes. During childhood and adolescence, the body builds up calcium stores to achieve peak bone mass. After this period, adequate calcium intake helps maintain bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weak and brittle bones. In addition to its role in bone health, calcium is important for the contraction and relaxation of muscles, including the heart. It also helps transmit nerve impulses and facilitates blood clotting by activating certain proteins involved in the coagulation process. Dietary sources of calcium include dairy products, milk, cheese, yogurt, leafy green vegetables, kale, broccoli, nuts, seeds, and fortified foods, such as certain plant milks and cereals. Vitamin D is important for calcium absorption, so adequate levels of both nutrients are necessary for optimal bone health. Ensuring sufficient calcium intake supports strong bones and teeth, muscle function, and overall health. Iron. Iron is a crucial mineral necessary for the production of hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells that transports oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. Iron is also a component of myoglobin, a protein that supplies oxygen to muscles, and various enzymes involved in energy production and metabolism. Iron comes in two forms, heme and non-heme. Heme iron, found in animal products like red meat, poultry, and fish, is more easily absorbed by the body. Non-heme iron, found in plant-based foods like beans, lentils, spinach, and fortified cereals, is less readily absorbed but can be enhanced by consuming it with vitamin C-rich foods, such as citrus fruits, tomatoes, and bell peppers. Iron deficiency is one of the most common nutritional deficiencies worldwide and can lead to anemia, characterized by fatigue, weakness, pale skin, and impaired cognitive and immune function. Conversely, excessive iron intake, particularly from supplements, can cause toxicity and damage organs. Balancing iron intake through a varied diet helps maintain adequate levels, supporting oxygen transport, energy production, and overall health. Special considerations are needed for groups with higher iron needs, such as pregnant women, young children, and individuals with heavy menstrual cycles. Magnesium. Magnesium is a vital mineral involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body. It plays a key role in muscle and nerve function, blood glucose control, and protein synthesis. Magnesium is also crucial for energy production, DNA and RNA synthesis, and maintaining healthy bones. Muscle function, including the heart, depends on magnesium for proper contraction and relaxation. This mineral helps regulate neurotransmitters that send signals throughout the nervous system. Additionally, magnesium plays a role in blood sugar regulation by influencing insulin secretion and action. Magnesium is found in a variety of foods, including green leafy vegetables, such as spinach, nuts, seeds, whole grains, legumes, and certain fruits, like bananas and avocados. Despite its wide availability in foods, many people do not get enough magnesium due to poor dietary habits and the consumption of processed foods. A deficiency in magnesium can lead to symptoms like muscle cramps, mental disorders, osteoporosis, fatigue, and high blood pressure. Severe deficiencies can cause more serious issues, such as abnormal heart rhythms and coronary spasms. On the other hand, excessive intake of magnesium, usually from supplements, can cause digestive issues like diarrhea, nausea, and abdominal cramping. Ensuring an adequate intake of magnesium through a balanced diet supports muscle function, bone health, energy production, and overall metabolic processes. Zinc. Zinc is an essential trace mineral that plays a vital role in numerous biological functions. It is crucial for immune function, DNA synthesis, wound healing, and cell division. Zinc also supports normal growth and development during pregnancy, childhood, and adolescence. Zinc acts as a cofactor for over 300 enzymes involved in various metabolic processes, including protein synthesis and hormone production. It also has antioxidant properties, helping to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Dietary sources of zinc include meat, shellfish, dairy products, nuts, seeds, legumes, and whole grains. Phytates found in whole grains and legumes can inhibit zinc absorption, so individuals relying heavily on plant-based diets may need to consume higher amounts of zinc or consider fortified foods. A deficiency in zinc can lead to impaired immune function, hair loss, diarrhea, delayed wound healing, and taste abnormalities. Severe zinc deficiency can result in growth retardation in children and reproductive issues in adults. Conversely, excessive zinc intake, particularly from supplements, can interfere with the absorption of other minerals, such as copper, and lead to toxicity. Maintaining adequate zinc levels through a balanced diet supports immune health, wound healing, and overall metabolic function.